Now we'll go to the main menu and we're going to do some setting up of RadioWorks. We're starting here totally blank, as you would when you first use the program. You notice on the upper left corner, Spot Types. Now this refers to the name you're going to give to the avails that you will be scheduling throughout your 7-day, 24-hour-a-day week. And those are the avails that you will be using when you schedule spots. So we're just going to click on Add here, and we're just going to give it kind of a generic name, Spot Avail, and then we'll save it. Now that's the minimum. You only need one type of spot. Some stations will add one called Promo. If they want to reserve certain times in their programs and breaks for promos, they can do that. And we'll save that. And some others want to add PSAs. So we'll put that in there. Doesn't mean we have to use it, but that gives you an idea of what the screen would look like when you're setting up RadioWorks. And these will be used in the setting up of the breaks and the avails. An important note here, once you put this in here and start to set up your breaks and avails, do not come back here and make any edits, even if you change the case. Any change like that will break the link, and that avail will no longer work. So make sure before you start doing your breaks that you have your avails named the way you want to. You can come back and add one if you need one or two or three, but you can't actually change any or it'll mess up that break. Client type is simply a listing of the types of businesses that your customers are in. Now we'll start off with a very simple one. Bank. Another one might be restaurant. Each time you click Add and type it in and click Save. And Add again, and what shall we call it here? Auto Repair. And we just as well have an auto dealer. How about an attorney? Now, one caution here, if you have attorney, don't come back later and put in lawyer. Schedule some of your spots as attorneys, some as lawyers, and you may find they end up in the same break because computers are kind of stupid. They don't know what you really mean, but that's not the point. It's what you actually say. All right, we're going to close that for now, and we'll come back later.